niga mochiri Uhuru Kenyatta asoko bwaterania nensemo ya
In 2017 tulimuita the people's president. Akaenda Harambee House kusalimiana na wengine. Akawachia hiyo nafasi wazi. Mukiniona hapa, mimi ndio nasema mimi ndio rais wa wananchi direct.
Ndio.
Juzi muliona wazi agreement ya Azimio. Hiyo agreement ya Azimio Party inaonyesha Rais Uhuru Kenyatta ndio mkubwa wa huo mlengo wa Azimio Party. Rais Uhuru Kenyatta ambao kisheria, kikatiba lazima astaafu August 9th mwaka huu. Lakini inaonekana kama zile nchi za nje kama China Communist Party, hii ni mwenendo ya kurudisha Kenya iwe kama communist nation. Rais anajaribu kinyume cha sheria, kinyume cha katiba ya Kenya kuendelea kuwa rais akikaa nyuma, lakini inaonekana chama ndio itakuwa inatawala.
Na boige kirgo kyobo governor Amayia County ya Mombasa ni gokagendrete ko ngusabarwaneri obono baganeti ekiroge kyo kolenga n'umubungo kisa uni hali mbogo ni gatebire bunanero obwate ticket ya Wiper okuliye kirgo kyobo governor ase county ya Mombasa ani gago chamago yo kabeire omo governor bwe county ya Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Songo ote abuna ni gago chikoliye kirgo kyobo governor kurwase county ya Mombasa ni go chinga kichisonga tebire buneganga ya eno okuliye kirgo kyobo governor kurwase nsemeyo goiterase kiama kia Wiper ekigoikira boni go mubunge okisauni Ali Mbogo atebiruna naero bwate tiketi ya Wiper andenera guchikuligiriye kero kyobo governor se county yo ekerekeria atebiruna goikira boni gasongo tabwate kubwa konde wense asoko nyara korobuli bocholi bochigokorwa elio banyale kurwandre tiketi ya Wiper asoko ligie kero kyobo governor Amayia County ya Mombasa.
Mimi nataka nichukue fursa hii kumshukuru party leader wetu Kalonzo Musyoka. Tulikuwa na yeye katika uwanja wa Bomas of Kenya na tulikuwa na hawa aspirants wote ambao nimeandamana nao siku ya leo, na yeye mwenyewe akanikabidhi interim certificate mbele ya media zote, mbele ya wakazi wote. Tulikuwa pale na aspirants zaidi ya 700 na yeye mwenyewe kwa mkono wake akanikabidhi ticket kama candidate wa Wiper katika gatuzi la Mombasa unopposed. Kwa hivyo hiyo position haijabadilika mpaka siku ya leo, kuwa mimi ndo nilipatiwa interim certificate na tukiwa na huyo Songo katika Bomas of Kenya. Na kama kungekuwa na mpinzani au yeye angekuwa ni mpinzani wangu, nisingepatiwa interim certificate katika Bomas of Kenya. Haya tunayoyasikia tuyachukulie kama propaganda, kama rumors.
Nago tigara boiga samangana lengetena siasa watani body makurwase county ya Omabay and ne ase ward ya West Game ase county yo nigo bono bay mrunganiri nchirobo choryo boke bay megoze nominations bwa kolekana senseme yo kolenga na borobu nigo bate birubuna anase ward ya West Game nigo bono chimashini chigo kolichikura cha rokande chikolima abwa safety seni binde bita bwa chimashini echo egento bate birubuna bochoryo bumbo kolekana tia senchera yo bwasyo lino bwasyo ko na nigo no baganiriye kiama GODM kwimuke getambokero asoko iro robo choli asensemeyo.
Therefore, what we are requesting the party is not too much, just a repeat of elections in West Game ward, so that we can have confidence that the winner has the majority support of the people and therefore the party. So we are looking forward to having the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga get all over 10,000, close to 11,000 votes from West Game ward under his docket. We don't want our people to remain back at home. Therefore, we request the National Election Board to come out and do a repeat before 22nd of April 2022.
I, Charles Owiti Awino, incumbent of West Game Ward, in company of Honorable Clifford Rabongo, Michael Ogalo, Omondi Ayeko, and Fred Awiti, do hereby categorically state that the election that was done in West Game Ward was not fair and just. In fact, it was a sham because in some of the polling stations, the kids were missing. The kids was not there throughout, and some of the polling stations, the kids went off throughout. So what was done was not commensurate to what the expectation of the members.
Na chinga kichu mugimenrabwe county ya Migori Pamero Dhiambo ni gobona mochirikia mageodi emma ase county yo kolengane ncherage kurustiketi asali baguchikirukia ebandera yekiamekyo obosio bobochorio bonene ase birugo au kolengana nere ni gate birabuna aba menyi benseme yumba itose mbairi bagalisa ine asiganga yo konyara kuwaka chikura na kochora barayibali baganete ni gate birabuna bunere ganga yo gochikurigie kerogeke wetera se kya mageodi ni gatara kwa ticket kubwatekana unemerobeli ya bubisi nigo yabirige kubekwa sekia mekyo abwaso muntu mwa arokane ko we ticket ya ODM nigo chinga kichi ya boldro muraiwe kyamma ge ODM rara murodinga ko mukege tambukiro na ko ne kibuno bocholi we miengo ko rubura senchirengi ya na ko iro ruboigo asensemeyo.
That my party can call a committee and sit, and I'm told the party has decided, and nobody gives me even a minute to be heard. I am talking about my father, Raila Amolo Odinga, with a lot of humility and respect. Yes. This is the man who fought that people should not be taken to detention without trial. Why am I being judged so harshly without hearing from my party? Yearning for the truth, nothing for the truth. If it is not conspiracy, then I want to be told the truth. Because the purported polling that they are saying, its results has not been revealed to us. Nobody has said when it was done and how. And I said yesterday, and I want to repeat, that any scientific research, because polling, according to what my party says, is supposed to be some scientific method. And that scientific method must have parameters. What exactly was being checked? What exactly did they not find right? And I would like to know why a candidate who has been practicing.
Na governor we county ya Nandi Stephen Sang ni kobona nyarga kubolia barwanire bonsi na boigo bali bakuligie birugo byoburai kone kibunangu wanchira na bale na machibu wanene maega yobo choryobo kiwe megozi nominations ko kolekana se ebiteseni au anene ase chi osase byama byabete bigokoryobo choryobo samatuka ka goeta nigo chinga kichate birubuna soburai weka abantu bonsi anena barai baitabira nekero ba bwiru na gotaleta buraburu chinde chionsi nigo boigamendere kagote una sobo choryobo nene bulibosio abantu bonsi na barai babeta yale aso witabirana na machiwara chikora ligwa nekyombe kyobo chori nechimbebe IBC.
Stand as a Democrat, as an advocate, and as a responsible citizen, that when you go into an election, the outcomes are either a win or a lose. And that is understood by me. And therefore, in case there is a lose, I have no problem. In case I win, which is the most likely situation in this case, I will be able to accept the outcome of that election. What I want to urge my competitors is that let us all give that same commitment. But more importantly, let us allow the process to be free and fair, devoid of intimidation, bribery, and blackmail that we are currently witnessing from, a few characters who are already sensing defeat. So for me, as a Democrat, I am looking forward to the evening, but I can confirm to you, you guys, we will be in for a celebration.
Na abwatani be kyama kia UDA kurwa asense mo ya silbwete kutoke meye county ya Bomet nigobono ba chirahamo ilikonyara kubwatarana asokonyara kubwatirana aseganga yogo chigosirana abwatani abakianda ngali osembali banyara bakubu asobo chorwe megozi nominations bwa kolekana asense meyo kolengana barabudi go batebere bono baguchikobwatana nago chamo ilikonyara gohetia oyo mobo asogo chikoirukie kerogo osokonyara ko mulgiri chikura sensemeyo ya Bomet.
Tumeamua wote tushikane mikono, tuombe kura pamoja. Tuwakilishe watu, tuongee na watu wa watu, tushikane pamoja. Na tuombe kura pamoja kama waniaji. Wale wote walitupikia kura, msiwe na wasiwasi. Bado tutakuja kufanya kazi, tutashikana pamoja.
Munchumuligireria ayongati alitogendete gukwariganiria semesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Isano nkwirana nda semesa iga inyara gukumanyia bunagendete gwateka ime na isiko yorugongo rwa gusinyira bono nabugotubwatia gwetera sensemo ya mtandao nsemo ya Facebook tonyore buna Ndizi TV News na bagensemeli ya YouTube nabugotonyora buna Ndizi TV News naboigo tunyara gukuinyori buna maiga asa matukabere otaraigwa eriogi andonsi asori chinsemo babere batabwati uligi gwetera Ndizi TV ene kibono kwanyare kugoskanie TV yao elio nyare konyora eliogi tebyo musania tebyo yonde bunenjira yemo yokonyara konyora eliogi maiga yokorra chibicha sama tukabira sokuburukana kwe mitambo igene kinabono kwa manyirio musani anyare kuruskan TV na boigo Ndizi TV nekoletere eliogi maiga lyokobora segeka hegeke ase chinsemo ikirabuno ko yakro musumali nyirabono Elias Eliogine chibicha igakoro kwa John Kebati tuyatumira ne 10 nabo igorto kubaterana kurwa sensemo y'umuntu wimanyererio igakoro kwa Joshua Auta iritirane nchinkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomugusi
Gomboate sambuli chinyinge
otarekera se chisambuli chinyinge ekero guchaka gusimeka litoke ninga gere turi guchaka gusimeka nga gusimeka igo
ambanda ko kabekira amarabe nusu yae gocha igora igo gatigere libagaria lyokwayana ng'ombe eri ekekarongo lisimeka naboko lisimeka buna itoke linde lyonse lakini egento okobwati ne chibuti koruri itoka aseli itoke linde okobwati chibuti sa kianda na gochirogoro chibuti kianda korunze iri korunze ne chinguru lakini ekarosi megete litoke litabwatie obwoyo bonde bwonse bobo bweng'ombe bobo bwe uleyo igokonyora nga igo likorunse ne chinguru chinke
Oburimi nobonda n'umurubyo bw'wesemya na kwimanya igoro y'oburimi bw'ekerero obuburakonye uchumi yorogonko rwogusi nabo igo kenyengima kwimokerera igoro
oburimi nobonda voigo oburimi nesiro gosenegete kyo mogongo asogokini uchumi ya Kenya amonorogongo rwagusi twabere togotara imeyorogongo rwagusi twabere togokoretera amangana